In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook ads payment failed problem. If your Meta or Facebook ad payments are being declined, rejected, or showing payment errors inside Ads Manager, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in most cases, you can fix it quickly by checking a few important settings. First, open your web browser and go to Meta Ads Manager. Log into the Facebook account connected to your advertising account and navigate to the Billing or Payment Settings section. This is where Meta displays your current balance, payment methods, and failed transaction alerts. The first thing you should check is whether your card has sufficient funds available. Payment failures often happen simply because the bank declines the transaction due to low balance, international transaction restrictions, or security protections on the card. Next, verify that all your payment information is correct. Double-check the card number, expiration date, billing address, cardholder name, and security code. Even a small typo can cause Meta to reject the payment method. Another common issue is bank security blocks. Some banks automatically flag Facebook or Meta charges as suspicious activity, especially for new ad accounts or larger payments. Contact your bank directly and confirm that they are allowing transactions from Meta platforms or Facebook ads. You should also try removing and re-adding the payment method. Inside the payment settings section, delete the current card and add it again manually. In many cases, this refreshes the connection between Meta and your bank. If your payment method continues failing, try using a different card or switching to another payment option like PayPal if it's available in your country. Some cards simply have compatibility issues with Meta's billing system. Another important thing to check is your account spending limit. If you previously set an account spending cap and reach the limit, Meta may stop charging your payment method and pause ad delivery automatically. You can review this inside the billing settings. You should also review your account quality and policy status. Restricted ad accounts, suspicious activity warnings, or disabled billing systems can sometimes trigger payment failures. Visit the account quality section to see if there are any issues affecting your account. If none of these solutions work, try paying your outstanding balance manually. Sometimes Meta allows you to clear failed charges manually through the billing dashboard, which can restore your account immediately afterward. Finally, make sure your business verification and identity verification are completed if Meta requested them. Unverified business accounts occasionally experience billing restrictions and payment processing issues. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the Facebook ads payment failed problem. In most cases, checking your card information, bank restrictions, billing settings, and account status will solve the issue quickly and get your ads running again. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more Facebook ads, Meta, and digital marketing tutorials.